Hello and welcome to Dreaming English, where we're going to be teaching English in a natural way.
Hey! Aren't we supposed to be doing the intro together?
Don't make me on the frying pan! Okay, stop! Part 2 of how to make caramel chocolate chip cookies. Today we have a special guest. His name is
Mr. Graff.
Or Miles.
Okay. Stop. Okay.
So yeah, right now we're supposed to be taking the cookies out of the oven.
Yeah, just do that fast. Do it fast.
We're not gonna die.
Yes, we are.
Get the frying pan up.
I'll take this, by the way.
Whoa.
These look so good.
They look delicious.
They look as delicious as my content.
Your content isn't delicious. That means that you don't think my cookies are delicious.
No, my content is delicious.
Oh, okay. Or is it? I will check it out someday. Okay. So right now we're gonna need a spatula to get the cookies off of the pan.
The pan is, you could just use oven mitts.
You need to let them cool.
But we need to let them cool first.
Okay.
Let us cool.
Good
idea. Miles, stay there.
It's been 5 years.
Best idea
Found it.
ever. Here, take a fan.
Okay.
Turn it on high. Now point it at the cookies.
Yeah. Best idea ever. Except it's not.
How to cool cookies,
Did I really
everybody.
have to wait 5 years for this?
No, it's faster than letting them sit there.
What about the caramels?
Oh, the caramels! We forgot the caramels. Turn off the fans.
How do I do that? Oh my god. Wow.
We're gonna get a caramel
Can I get a content?
and put the caramel on the cookie.
1 like equals 1 me getting.
No! Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
I thought you said 2.
This one I call is mine.
Fair. Can I have it?
Yes, but don't eat it. Miles, we're gonna run out of caramels if you eat. Hi. Okay, phew. So we're gonna take these little caramel candies here. We're gonna unwrap them.
Oh.
It's alright, still in the package. And we're gonna place them on top of these cookies.
This is taking longer than I expected.
I know what can save us. Tree Man!
No!
Tree powers activate. Turns into tree. Giant tree picture.
You're still not a tree. This
But
is
there's
not
a tree picture. I'm a
This
tree.
is a cat.
No, there's a tree picture right
Oh,
now.
look, never mind. There's a tree. Can I have one?
No, because
Why?
we're gonna run out.
Why? Why can't you just buy more?
Yeah, why not?
Because the cookies are gonna get not hot, and then
Not hot isn't a word.
cold. Oh, dang it.
Okay, let me do 2.
Just don't eat them. Seriously, Miles.
Okay.
Don't eat the caramels.
Completely.
I know you didn't eat anything. You can't prank me. The last caramel.
Oh, wait, there's something in there.
Yeah, I have the last one. Boop! There, those are the almost all of them caramelized cookies. So now we're gonna take the spatula and
If anyone wants to get one of these, you cannot get one. So
sorry if some people got really hungry for cookies and their moms, because you know how moms are, truthfully. They're like, no cookies for you. No. It sounds like my mom, cause
No.
you know.
You're literally making cookies.
I know, but
Fan.
Miles, I'm going to bring this to my grandpa. Is it okay if we bring it over and show him? Like, bring the camera over to give him the cookies?
I'm sure.
Okay, everyone. This is called content.
Let's bring him a glass of milk, too.
If you don't know what content is, content.
Yeah, you can cool him down.
And if you're surprised there's no picture, it's because this is content.
I'm going to get myself a
Hopefully
glass of
it's
milk,
good
too, because
content.
I'm very thirsty.
I don't like milk.
Can't be friends anymore, Miles.
I just don't like that much.
Pour this glass of milk for my grandpa.
And now, it's time to do the cookie montage. We'll bring the content fan. Content fan.
Yeah,
Hello.
Content
what's
fan.
going on here? Oh, you brought me milk too.
It's the
Oh.
content fan, boys.
Oh, what's going on? Whoa, cookie. Oh, and
Caramel.
what is this stuff inside the cookie?
It's a caramel.
Oh, a caramel.
This is why we have the content fan.
Also known as the Chimney Corners fan.
Content fan. Okay, and that's a wrap.
All right,
Hold
everyone.
on.
Bye. And we
No,
gotta
wait.
give a big thank you. So we gotta give a big thank you to Dreaming Spanish. Who inspired us for this channel and gave us all these ideas. Don't forget to check his channel down in the link, subscribe, hit the bell, and like all his videos. And don't forget. And a thank you to LTV for giving us equipment and letting us use the studio and all that. And a thank you to Miles
And
for
now,
being a volunteer. And now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell. Or else I will come and eat all your cookies. Even if you make these, I'll eat them. Because they're probably going to taste really good because it's my recipe. Yeah.
Eh.
Bye. Say bye to the cameraman.
Also, comment if you like them.
Yeah, and comment ideas if you have any for us. So bye, everyone.